We are going to bake chocolate covered peanut butter pretzel sandwiches. So Amber, what are we going to do first?
Okay, first we're going to make our filling for the sandwiches. That's going to be half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick, 1.5 cups of peanut butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to mix all that up in the mixer, and then we'll make our sandwiches with the pretzels and dip them in chocolate.
All right, sounds good. Let's get going.
Okay. So now we're going to start making our sandwiches with the peanut butter and the pretzels. So I got the little snips, I believe is what that pretzel shape is, because that was going to make it really easy to make the sandwiches and the peanut butter to stay on. So we're going to make these, and then we'll put them in the freezer for just a little bit to allow the peanut butter to firm up some before we go to dip them.
And I can tell you, because just dipping the pretzel in the peanut butter, just like dip, it is excellent.
It is. You know what? I love peanut butter. I love pretzels. But man, those two together is just amazing. So I'm going to finish this up and then we'll throw them in the freezer.
Okay, we're back. We had the pretzels in the freezer to let them get a little hard. And so now, Amber, what are we about to do?
I have melted a bag of milk chocolate chips, and we're just going to dip the pretzel sandwiches in there and then put them back on the parchment paper. The chocolate chips that I'm using are the milk chocolate chips from Aldi's.
They're looking good.
They're going to be delicious. So I'm just going to finish these up and then put them back in the freezer to chill, and then they'll be ready to go.
All right, so now we have our chocolate covered peanut butter pretzel sandwiches out of the freezer. I think it's probably time to try one, Amber. What do you think?
I think it is.
Did they turn out like you thought?
I think so.
All right, let's try one and see what it tastes like.
First thoughts.
Man, that's good stuff there. That's my first thought right there.
That is really good.
That's some good stuff. That is definitely sweets for your sweets right there.
It is. I like the salty from the pretzel. So, a couple of observations on this. We ended up using only probably about half of the peanut butter mix. So we put the rest in a container and put it in the freezer to use at a later date. So you could have this recipe.
Yeah, because the cookies you see on there is not all the cookies it made either.
No, we have a ton of them, and probably used maybe half that bag of pretzels. So I think if you did the whole recipe with all the peanut butter, you probably would have ended up using close to a whole bag of pretzels to do that. So anyway, just wanted to let you know that.
So I think what we need to do, Amber, is grab another one, because everything's better together. Good stuff, baby.
Good stuff. I love you.
I love you.